What is web development? What is app development? Should you learn web development or app development? Which is easy to learn? Which is of more importance? Guys, I know you must have thought of these questions at least once, or if not, then I'm telling you, you will think of these questions when you would start to learn coding, because these are questions everyone will get when he or she will go out to explore and to know about coding. So I'm going to tell you the difference between the two. Because of this, I forgot to change the background. So let's quickly first change it. Hey guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Technical Zone. You are watching Technical Zone and I'm Umar, and this video is going to be awesome because it will clear each and every doubt you are having about web development and app development, and it will help you to choose to take an informed decision. If you are going to learn coding, then please do watch this video, because then you would be able to make an informed decision. Which programming language should you learn? Should you learn web development or app development? So let's quickly begin without wasting any more time. So guys, first let's quickly know about both of them, then we would be discussing. App development, as the name tells you, it will help you to make apps, and web development will help you to design websites. Now, web development is crystal clear that you have to make websites, but in app development there are two branches: iOS development and Android development. So you can make app for Android or iOS. If you are going to make an app for Android, then you would have to learn Java, Kotlin, etc. If you are going to make an app for iOS, not Android, then you would be learning Swift language, and there are a number of more languages. Now, if talking about our country, India, then 96% people are Android users and 4% are iOS users. So obviously Android developers are it is a field which is more common, and this iOS development field of apps, being an app developer for iOS, this is a less popular field. Now let's quickly know the difference. Number one and most important, system requirement. And yes guys, you would be able to take a decision when you would be knowing about the system requirements. This is the most important thing. First of all, for web development doesn't have any system requirements. It just requires one system, i3. On i3 it will work properly. On Pentium processors also, I am guaranteeing it will work properly. You can do HTML, CSS coding, and you can make amazing websites. I am telling you, even if you are having a basic computer or a very basic laptop with a very old processor and 2 GB of RAM and a hard drive, then also web development is going to be easy for you. Whereas talking about app development, it requires a lot of, system requirements. It is having minimum 16 GB of RAM, or if you say 8 GB of RAM, it will work, but it requires a very good processor. i7 or i5 is the minimum, because Android Studio, which is required for making programs, or you can say coding for Android and making apps for Android, that is a really very heavy software, and i5 can run it. And I would say that the best suited for Android developers is i7 processor, and that to the latest one. Now let's quickly move to the next point. Now the second point of comparison is easiness. So I will say web development is easy to learn, and the reason is that codes for web development are small. For app development, codes are a little lengthy. Apart from this, web developers would be learning about web development, as well as app developers would be learning about app development, as well as they would be having some basic knowledge about web development also. Chances of error are more in app development, whereas they are less in web development. Apart from this, I would like to say web development is a fun process. Like, you are going to enjoy if you are a web developer, because you are going to code a very little and the output is going to be huge. This is the reason web development is liked by people, and it is preferred more than app development. Let's move to the third point of comparison. Third point of comparison is web developers or app developers. So I am telling you, web developers are required more, because guys, you know that apps, would you rather use a website or an app? If you are to use YouTube on your computer, then will you download the app or you would go on the website? This is the reason I am saying that web developers are like they are having a lot of value, because a number of things are dependent we are dependent on websites only. Like YouTube itself is a website, but it doesn't mean that app developers are having no role. I don't mean to say this. App development is necessary at its place, web development is necessary at its place. We must have both. Now you just take an example. On your mobile phone you are watching YouTube in the form of an app, but on your computer system you are watching the same thing in the form, like YouTube is a website if you talk about computers, and if you talk about mobiles then it is an app. So this is the thing, both are important, both are having equal importance. Availability of resources like videos on YouTube, tutorials of HTML and CSS are more than the tutorials of Java and other languages which are used for app development. And this is also a reason why web development is more common. Start with web development, then go for app development. Try both and then decide, because decision is yours, and there are chances that maybe you are comfortable with app development more than the web development. So try out both, but yet I will give a suggestion: try out web development first. That's all for this video. I hope so that now you are crystal clear that what you have to choose. Apart from this, guys, we are going to start soon with our Python series, which is going to be fun. I am already there with my HTML series, but yeah, I know I am not posting videos regularly, but now I will make sure that at least 2 videos are coming a month. You just have to do one thing as a viewer: subscribe my channel. Very soon I will bring another amazing video. Till then, goodbye.